Plagiarism. To copy, steal, or take possession of another person's idea, work, or words. For example, I just plagiarized. I stole that from a website.
I think plagiarism basically is using someone else's words as your own or their ideas.
I find plagiarism as just like the copying of another person's work, basically taking others' work and saying that it's your own. And even if you're just using it, if you don't cite it, then it's still considered stealing.
So in defining plagiarism, a lot of people think that plagiarism is okay as long as you didn't actually intend on doing it, but I don't actually believe that having good intentions justifies negative means. Like, I didn't mean to run over your car, or run over you with my car, but I still did run over you with my car.
At the college level, many students dread research and writing. Many instructors feel plagiarism is on the rise and are overwhelmed by the time-consuming, disheartening task of serving as plagiarism police. Recent research by Andrea Lunsford shows that today's students are increasingly expected to write argumentative essays with multiple sources instead of the personal narratives common in college-level writing 20 years ago. Information literacy education can help students learn to avoid plagiarism, write appropriately in different situations, define terms by focusing on a particular audience, and collaborate with other writers as well as various texts. Plagiarism and fair use are gray areas even for scholars. From handbooks to digital source management systems to controversial plagiarism detection services, instructors who implement best practices show students that learning about authorship issues is a process, not a one-time event. At Oakland University, instructors can utilize Kresge Library's plagiarism tutorial, which ends with a quiz and student certificate for proof of completion. Credible websites like the popular Online Writing Center at Purdue teach students that even a simple concept like common knowledge can have multiple definitions, depending on the instructor, course, discipline, audience, and writing requirements. Instructors can help students by reviewing these sources while providing definitions that will apply in their particular course.
Common knowledge is information that doesn't need to be cited. For example, the sky is blue is something that you wouldn't cite in the paper because it's known to all.
Common knowledge is knowledge that doesn't necessarily have to be explained with a website or, by another person because it's very widely known, kind of like a banana is a fruit. That is common knowledge.
My definition of common knowledge would be something that obviously could be found in more than 3 places, found in different kinds of books and different sources.
That's all I got.
So that's how you do it?